In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI chat with Jenni AI. So before we begin, if you want to try out Jenni AI for yourself, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment where you can go and click and you can get started with Jenni AI completely for free. So in case you're wondering how to use this AI chat feature in here, you actually want to log in and then click over here to where it says AI chat, and then this thing will open up, which is essentially the AI chat over here on the right. What you want to do in here is essentially chat with this Jenni AI assistant. So it says, I have access to your library and the web. Try asking me some questions about your research topic or try some of these prompts over here. Now, what you can do over here is ask Jenni anything you would like to know about research you are doing. So for example, let's say I am researching the power of Jenni AI. I can ask it, for example, what are some key questions I could ask myself when researching Jenni AI or something like that. Whatever you're doing, you can type it in, you can ask it about it, and it will tell you everything it knows. Search the web, search your library, and then you'll get the answers that it tells you. So over here, I said send. And over here, it's gonna just, in a few seconds, there we go. As you can see now, it gives me some different questions that I asked for. If you want to then refer to something, as you can see over here, there's some citations over here. What you can do is essentially just click mention over here. And as you can see, there's no source PDFs because I have no PDFs myself right now. However, you can just refer to these things up here. So to these paragraphs, if you want to, you can ask further questions and it will help you out. If you click this, as you can see over here, if you were to click on this and then press view, it will open this up in another page. It didn't find that one. I don't know why. However, most of the time it does find these articles. And then you can just ask it more questions and it will help you out. If it gives you a paragraph that you can use, you can even add that paragraph to a document by clicking add to document, and then it will add it to your text editor. As you can see over here, it just got added in, or you can just copy it and then paste it yourself, whatever you would like to do that. So that's pretty much it. That's how to use the AI chat with Jenni AI. Again, if you would like to try Jenni AI for yourself, there's a link down below and you can start completely for free. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.